Hey all you Phastek fans, it's Beth with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be installing this Cyclone exhaust by Cyclone Performance on our 2010 Camaro SS. We want to sound like a beast at the track and on the street. Now this exhaust will fit any 2010 to 2015 Camaro SS, and it features the signature Cyclone Performance J-pipe that eliminates your muffler, giving you a distinct and aggressive sound. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for me.